Why does your scanner show the P2400 engine code? What does it mean? P2400 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP leak detection pump control circuit, or open. This engine code indicates that specifically the PCM or ECM detects an issue where the pump's control circuit is either open or not functioning as expected. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty leak detection pump, wiring issues, ECM failure, EVAP system leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Mini, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.